Yes, this has to be the greatest animation ever. Sometimes I even amaze myself. Hey Mom, look what I did! Where'd the animation go? It was right there when I left. I mean, the only thing that would turn off my computer for no apparent reason would be No! What am I gonna do? I have no computer, I have no internet. What would Amish Jeff do?
Hi there, what's your name?
My name is Jimmy, but you can call me Phil.
Hi Phil, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good, but I'm awfully hungry.
Oh no, please don't eat me!
I'm gonna eat you!
If I can't have you, nobody will!
Yes! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Who's the man? I'm the man, yeah!
I love you, Mr. Computer.
And I love you, Jeff.
Dun dun dun!